What is traveling for you? Like any of you, I am a regular guy, a full-time employer, living an average comfortable life. I am a son, a father, a friend, also a true believer, an artist, adventurer, explorer, and always walking in one direction, forward. My goal is to inspire you to stay positive in any situation, be humble, courageous, creative, and a person not easy to give up. Hi, I'm Danny, and I welcome you to my travel channel, DViaje. I will show you how to think, talk, and feel positive anywhere you go by walking forward. In this channel, I will share beautiful places, new experiences, and new people. I am not a full-time traveler, but I hope my next journey can inspire you to pursue your passion. Travel is not to escape life, but for life not to escape us. You decide. Very well. We are in Cappadocia. The city name is Jerome, and this is the hotel Arinna, Cappadocia. We are having a lunch. Everything has been handmade here in Cappadocia. Remember this, because of the COVID, all the restaurants here in Turkey are closed. You cannot go inside. You can order food. The owners of the hotel give us a space here in the terrace so we can eat and just enjoy this amazing, beautiful weather. You have no idea how good it is. And now we're just eating lunch. How's the food tasting? It is good. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Yummy. So far, so good. It tastes good. I did not order this. I ordered fish. Something happened.
Always happens the same thing. Every time when I order some food, I change to another.
So this is my strategy. Now that I understand this process, every time that she selects what I select from the menu, then I select what she originally selected from the menu. Then when we order it, we get the food, and now she wants to exchange it again. So it's all about negotiations. It's about business. And she wins.
All the time. Who is the winner?
Oh well. Anyway, so this tastes good. I like it. How's the fish?
Pretty nice. Pretty good.
Ready for action! Okay. We're doing this right.
Cool! This is my first ever time drive this quadricycle or motorcycle. That is so cool. I'm very good at it. That is cool. All these explorations are absolutely new for me.
Now we're just gonna go straight to those mountains over there. There we go. So, check it out. Let's see how it is. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
Good girl. Good girl.
Hey boy, this is so beautiful.
Why?
I don't know.
No, it's a girl.
What are you eating? What are you eating? Hey. How is it?
Cool!
You're looking like a pro. Thank you for watching the first of many travel videos in this year 2021 from DViaje travel blog. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do next. Share your travel experience in the comment section. Don't forget to drop a comment, give it a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. Subscribe and click on the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss out any upcoming videos. I see you guys soon on the next episode.